Okay guys, second game guys, second game tayo, second game.
Oh, technical free throw muna tayo.
Second game, Chrome
Technical
versus
free throw muna tayo.
Space. Technical free throw.
Go, go, go. On the center, between Chavez and Bakar. Witnessing a semi-final game between Base and Chrome. First possession, Ramos ang bola. Driving in, tumagasa, tumira, Wando, rebounder by Bakar, saves the ball. Pass to Pascual, Pascual, pass. Wando, rebounder by Pascual, Pascual is down. Wala pa rin, rebounder by Lucky. Lucky na Wando ball. Lucky, nagmamadali, pinasa kay Padilla. Foul, and there's a whistle. First throw. Second throw, pasok to Ramos. Ramos, pas to Baltasar. Baltasar, sasagasa, pinasa kay Ramos. Ramos, pas to Bakar, attempt for three. One go, rebound back to Ryan. Mat, dribbling the ball, back to Padilla, wala. Baltasar now on the ball. Easy dribbling, getting the play, pas to Pascual. Pascual, driving in, sumagasa, tumira, wala, rebounder by Chavez, Chavez pas to Lucky. Ayan na si Lucky. Lucky now, challenge Reyes, Lucky nakalusot, Liza, Puwato, iyak-iyak lang tayo mga kaibigan. Bakar, pas to Baltasar, Baltasar, attack the ring, Liza, Puwato, magpapalaban. Padilla sa Magnaye, Magnaye now, pass to Chavez, Chavez, shooter to whistle. Baltasar, to Ramos, Ramos, challenge Magnaye, Ramos back to Baltasar, Baltasar now, 40 second shot clock, pinasa kay Bakar, to Reyes, 10 second shot clock, Ramos, and there's the whistle. It's a challenge of 7 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for the first quarter. And score for open, 2-0. Padilla, setting the play, pass to Lucky, and there's the whistle. Penalty na agad. First throw, Lucky. Second throw, one go, rebounder by Baltalaba, pass to Lucky. Lucky now, pinasa. Pinasa kay Chavez, pass to Bartolaba. 10 second shot clock. Bartolaba, challenge Pascual, pass to Magnaye, attempts for three. One go, Bartol to whistle. Ingat-ingat lang tayo kaibigan. Kanino foul? Kanino foul? Foul number 22. That is Reyes. Penalty situation. Reyes, second personal foul. Substitution meron. Reyes out. Second. Ay, foul din. Double foul tayo. Double foul. Ay, walang penalty. Double foul tayo. Lucky. Same ball tayo. 14 seconds. Seven seconds shot clock. Substitution seven. Reyes out. Second captain. 7 seconds shot clock. Chavez pa rin. Ito shot. 2 points. Chavez. Magdala kayo rito ng 1 para patayin yung oras natin. Magdala kayo ng nakasama nyo rito. Pascual, stops and shoot. Wala. First whistle. First round Bakar. Jump balls ready for the final throw. Pangalawa, wala. Rebounder by Chavez. Magnayan na on the ball. Magnayan, challenging Baltasar. Magnayan. First throw, Magnayan. Pasok pa rin, substitute. 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Pasto Pagar. Pagar, challenge Magnayan. Pasto Rojas, attempts for 3. 1 go. Rebound ng Bayan Ramos, Pasto Second. Second now. And the whistle. It's a trap. Padilla now, taking the play. Padilla. Dalsin, pass, 1 go. Rebound to Pagar. Rojas to Pascual. Pascual, naiiwan ang bola kay Rojas. Pinasa kay Ramos. Ramos pass. 2 points. Dalawa ang kalamangan ng Grove. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. On the first quarter, Magnayan the ball. Magnayan pa sa Chavez. Chavez to Bartolaba. Par. 2 points to by Bartolaba. Ramos. Ramos now. Go! 7-3. Apat ang kalamangan ng Grove. Rojas, pinasa kay Ramos. Kumaatake. Nawala ang bola. Focus ka. Sa labas. Looking for receiver. Pasto Pascual. Pascual. Sumaglasa. Laysap. 1 go. Rebound to by Rojas ang bola. Rojas Pascual. Ramos attack. Foul. 1 go. Rebound to Bagar. Kaninang foul. Ay, 14 seconds shot na. Sorry. Looking for receiver. Pasto Setan. Setan. Binalik kay Bagar. Rebound shot. 2 points to by Magnayan. The ball. Magnayan now. Score. 9-5. Pasto Boss. Boss now. Pasto Bartolaba. 40 seconds shot na. Pasto Magnayan. Magnayan. Pasto Padilla. 1 go. Rebounder by Padilla. Padilla pass. Wala. Rebounder by Nawala. Padilla. Intercepted pero kay Pagar. Ayan na si Pagar. Challenge Magnayan. Naiwan ang bola. Pero nandun si Setan. Setan now. Lays up, 1 go. Rebound to by Chavez. Pass to Magnayan. Magnayan to Padilla. Solo. Muntik pang mawala now. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining on the first quarter. Pass to Setan. Back to Rojas. Rojas, pass to Pascual. 40 seconds shot lang. Attempts for 3. Pascual, 3. Score, 11-8. Tatlo ang alamaman ng base ay ng Grove. Padilla, pinasa kay Chavez. Chavez, laysap, 1 go. Rebound Pagar. Pagar now. Ayan na si Pagar. Nagmamadali. Trampas to save. Ayan na. 5 seconds remaining. Padilla now. Score, 11-18. Nakahamon na ang base. Isa na lang kalamangan ng Grove. Padilla si Chavez. Chavez, pass to Boss. Boss to Magnayan. 10 seconds shot lang. Boss. 1 go. Para sa mga wala ka rin kapag uy, ingat-ingat lang tayo. First row, pasok ready. Wala. Rebound, Lucky. Lucky, nilabas ang bola. Lucky now. Set the play. 10 seconds shot lang. Lucky, Dalvin, pass, 1 go. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola, pass to Padilla, attempting, lapit konti. Pass to Chavez, gamit ang ball, rebound Lucky, follow up, bola pa rin, rebound to Ramos. 20 seconds remaining on the first quarter. Ramos, challenge Boss, nawala ang bola. Kaya na si Lucky, Lucky umaatake. 2 points, 14, 10. Ramos, lays up, 1 go, rebound by Lucky. 2 minutes remaining on the first quarter. And the solution, ingat. First throw on the Lucky. Jumpers ready.
Ha? Makatagay? Sa ta?
Second throw. Pass to Pagar. Pagar, attempting for 3. Pagar. Lucky now. Giving the ball. Lucky. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. 15 seconds shot clock. Lucky. Pass to Boss. Babawi. Wala. Rebound ng may pagar. Rojas. Rojas to Flores. Flores, nakalusot, pinasa kay Zayn. Ako malukbog, wala. Rebound ng Malabak. Bartolabak to Lucky. Ayan na si Lucky. Inahabol ni Zayn. Pinasa kay Boss. Solo, wala. Rebound Lucky. Wala. Rebound Rojas. Rojas to Flores. Flores now. And lays up. Boss ang bola. Pass to Padilla. Padilla now. Padilla during the ball. Pinasa kay Lucky. Back to Padilla. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Padilla now. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Nako ni Balbasar. 25 seconds remaining. Pass to Flores. Flores now. Challenge Chavez. Pinasa kay Pagar. Pagar now. Pass. 1 go. Rebound Padilla. 15 seconds remaining. Pass to Lucky. Lays up. 2 points by Lucky. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. It's a counted. Counted po yun. Ang score po natin. Official score. Oh, safe ball tayo. Safe ball.
Huwag mo ka mag-foul gani nga?
Acting ragod naman sa mga. Acting ragod to.
Huwag nga yung reperihan.
Pascual, Pasto Flores, tumaluktot pero nahuli pa rin. Pasto Flores, ganda ng play na yun. Lucky on the ball. Lucky now. Dribbling, 9 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. 10 seconds shot clock. Boss for 3. 1 go. Rebound Pagar. Boss now. Pasto Pascual. Attempt for 3. Wala. Rebound by Agape. Agape now. Ayan na si Agape. Namamadali. Sumagasa. 2 points para 5 seconds remaining. Rojas, pinasa sa loob, pero simple pa rin tayo. Wala. Rojas, Pasto Pagar. Jump shot. Gamit ang ball. High score. Sabi. Lucky now. Lucky. And there's the whistle. First goal.
Sabi ni Gladys, gusto matawag sa'yo, ay asawa ko yan.
Second goal. Wala pa rin.
Video pa nga ako.
Bartolaba. Pass to Boss.
Paano
Boss,
nakapagpapay?
to Agape, sumagasa, tumira, 2 puntos. Score! All 21, 8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining on the second. Pascual, attack, there's the whistle! One go! Rebound by Agape. Agape now. Agape, harap na by Pagar. Agape pa rin, pinasa kay Boss. Boss now. Pinasa, nakuha, pero simple pa. Padilla. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to Bartolaba, attempt for 3. 1 go. Rebound by Flores for 3. Wala pa rin, rebound Pascual. Ayan na si Pascual. Pinasa kay Balbasar, pinalik kay Pagar. Wala, rebound Lee. Kaya sa labas. Nawala ang bola. Agape ngayon. Ayan na si Agape. Nagmamadali. Sumagasa. Wala. Rebound by Balbasar. Balbasar now. Dribbling the ball. Lays up. 1 go. Rebound Rojas. Wala pa rin. Rebound Flores. Boss. Apat na ang kalamangan ng base. Bumaliktad na. Lamang na kayo ng base 10. Flores ay pagsayawan, naghahanap ng mapapasahan, nakita si Boss, Pasto Padilla. 10 seconds shot na. Padilla, nakalusot, lesa, paintito. Japos ready. Wala, rebound Rojas. Baltasar now. Release the ball. Set the play, ulungin ko si Boss, Pasto Rojas, Pascual. Pascual in Natake si Boss, sabay kanila, wala. Rebound Bartolaba.
Wala si
Bartolaba na po.
Pascual.
Boss now. Ayan na si Boss. Ayun, ingat-ingat tayo mga kasarwede. Rojas on the ball. Rojas now. Pass to Flores. Back to Rojas. Pass to Pascual. Pascual. Attack the ring. Pass. One go. Rebound by Pascual. Pascual pa rin na bola. Tumira. Nakapun-apat pa rin ang kalamangan ng base team. 6 minutes remaining on the second quarter. Padilla. Luis Receiver. Pass to Agape. Agape pass. One go. Agape pa rin. 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Rojas. Pass to Araque. Wala. Rebound by Bartolaba. Bartolaba. Pass back to Boss. Masyadong malakas. Back to Rojas ang bola. Pass to Ramos. Ramos now. Pinasa kay Araque. Pero ito ng Nayan. Pinasa kay Lucky. Saktong-sakto. Fake shot. 2 balls. 2 lang. Oh, 27. 10 lang tayo. Pascual. Ang gano. Dribbling the ball. Dribbling. Umatake. Tumira. Wala. Rebound Ramos. Pass break. Tumalmasar. Intercepted by Padilla. Padilla now. Ayan si Padilla. Umatake. Lays up. One go. Rebound Chavez. Pascual. 4 minutes and 39 seconds remaining on the second quarter. Jumpers ready for the final throw. Wala. Rebounder by Chavez. Nakuha ni Magnay ang bola. Pinasa kay Padilla. Attempting. Pinasa kay Magnay.
Uy, travel no? Pwede siya sa doon.
Pinasa kay Lucky. Lucky na oh. Lucky. 10 seconds shot clock. Lucky. Attack. 5 seconds shot clock. Good pa rin. Ingat-ingat na tayo. Pascual. Ayan na si Pascual. Pinasa kay Baltasar. Nakanakot na second quarter. Magnaye. Pinasa kay Chavez. Kay Lucky. Lucky now.
Ay, kung istorya ba?
Lucky pa. One go. Rebounder by Baltasar. Baltasar. Pinasa kay Pascual. Pascual. Magnaye. Magnaye now. Magnaye, dribbling the ball, harap ito by Zetan. Back to Lucky. Lucky now. Attack, pass. One go. Rebound. And just to whistle. Foul Baltasar. Tatlo na rin ang foul mo. First go, Chavez. One go. 29, 31, dalawa pa rin ang kalamangan ng base team. Zetan, setting the play. Pass to Ramos. Ramos now. Attack sa Padilla. Looking for receiver. Pinasa kay Pascual. Attack for 3. One go. Rebound Araque. Araque. Pinasa kay Agape. Pinasa kay Lucky. Ayan na si Lucky. Tatlo laban sa isda. Wala. Rebounder by Gates. Pinasa kay Ramos. Ayan na si Ramos. Ramos ay pagsayawan kay Magnaye. Nakita si Pascual. Umatake. Lays up. Wala. Rebound by Agape. Pass to Padilla. Padilla. Susubukan. Wala rin. Nakuha ni Araque ang bola. Araque now. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Attack. Fire. 2 points. 2 points. Masyado malakas. Pinasa sa referee. Ay score mo natin. 29-33. Apat ang kalamangan ng base team. Center on the ball. Pass on the free throw line. One goal. Rebound by Agape. Agape. Easy lang daw. 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining on the second. Agape. Pass. One goal. Sa kanya pa rin ng bola. Walang pa rin. Rebound Pascual. Pascual now. Dribbling the ball. Pascual ay pagsayawan. Trampas sa pasar. First go, one go. Pasok, one go. Score. 29-34. 5 na. Lucky. Ramos, nakuha ni Lucky ang bola. Nakanakaw. Nakanakaw. Tumira. May pito. Kaninong bawat.
Tulog ba? Dali, lagi ko. Ay,
Let's go! One goes ready for the final throw by Lucky. Jumpers ready. Last throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound Chavez, pasta Padilla. Attempting for three. Padilla. Pwede lang ulit tayo. Zetan. Attack. Ball. One go. Rebound. Agape. Agape. Pasta Padilla. Padilla. Pasta Agape. 1 minute and 11 seconds remaining. First throw Padilla. One go. First ready for the final throw by Padilla. Ano yun? Second personal foul of Flores. First throw. Pasok. Jumpers ready. Change favor na tayo. Change favor. Lamang na ngayon. Wala. Rebound Chavez. Pass. One go. Rebound Romero. Rojas. Pinagay. Intercepted by Agape. Agape. Pass to Chavez. Back to Agape. Bumalik ang kalamangan sa kanila. Jumpers ready for the final throw. Pasok. Ayan na si Flores. Flores now. 1 minute remaining. Pagaroon the ball. Setting the play. Pass to Ramos. 15 seconds shot clock. Ramos pass. One go. Rebound
Pero si Ramos ba, di ba ka-shoot?
Magnayan na.
Dami kay Guguan na ba?
Magnayan. Pamadalit. Pinasa. Pero nakunin Flores. Flores now. Lugod po si Bert. Pass to Pagar. 40 seconds remaining. 20 seconds shot clock. Pagar. One go. Apat walang pito. Walang tayo. Agape. Nagkakawan. 10 seconds remaining. Huli ka. 6 seconds remaining. Pasto Agape. 5 seconds.
Okay guys, third quarter guys, third quarter.
Pinasa kayo Rojas. Rojas now. Luwing receiver, pass to Ramos. Ramos, pass. 2 points, 2 by Ramos. Pass to Padilla. Padilla now. Padilla, luwing receiver, pass to Bosch. Bosch now, 14 seconds shot na. 10 seconds shot na. Padilla, nakalusot, pinasa kay Bartolaba, nawala ang bola. Ayan na si Rojas. Rojas, pinasa kay Zetan. Zetan now. Sensing the play. Looking for receiver. Pinasa kay Ramos. Ramos now. 14 seconds shot na. Pass to Pascual. One go. Rebound by Pagar. Lost the whistle. Rojas sa labas. Looking for receiver. Pass to Ramos. Ramos fake. Nawala ang bola. Ball. Padilla now. Pinasa kay Lucky. Lucky now. 9 minutes remaining. 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds. Wilson. 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining on the third quarter. Pass to Pascual. Pascual now. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Challenge Bartolaba. Jump shot. One go. Rebound Zetan. Zetan pass. 2 points. 2 points. Change favor. 38-37. Labamarana na sa ang baseline. Bumaliktad na kalamangan. Ganda ng laban. Padilla. Harap by Rojas. Pass to Bosch. 10 seconds. Pass to Rojas.
Bigyan
Pass
mo.
to Pascual. Pascual now. Challenge. Pass. 2 points. Pass to Padilla. Padilla now. Padilla. Dribbling. Pass to Bosch. Bosch now. Pass to Padilla. Padilla. 15 seconds shot clock. Pass to Lucky. 10 seconds shot clock. And to whistle. Bartolaba. Pass to Bosch. Bosch now. Attempt for 3. One go. Rebound Ramos. Ramos now. Ayan na si Ramos. Atake. Tumira. Wala. Ibang by Zetan. Zetan now. Nagipagsayawan. Pinasa kay Pagar. Attempting. Harap mo by... Oh, pinagkalit na tayo. Pagar. Turuhan. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Bosch now. Pass to Padilla. Padilla, attempts for 3. 1 go. Rebound Pascual. Pinasa kay Rojas. Tinamo ni Chavez. Nakuha niya.
Okay.
Pastor Rojas. Rojas now. Pass to Pascual. Pass. 1 go. Rebound Chavez. Chavez pass to Lucky. Lucky now. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Lucky sa revelation. Tumira may pito. Ano pa rin ang kalamangan ng base tip? 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. First row, 11 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Jumpers ready. Pasok. Ross now, dribbling the ball. Pass to Pascual. Pascual, umatake, nag-layup. Tingnan lang tayo mga kaibigan. Ayun na si Padilla. Padilla, babawi, pinasa kay Lucky. Pass. 1 go. Rebound to Bay. Inabol. Rojas dribbling the ball. Score 39-42. Ayun na si Flores, umatake, tumira, wala. Rebound Bartolaba. Bartolaba, pinasa kay Padilla. Padilla, ayun na si Padilla to Chavez. Nice assist. 30 seconds remaining on the third quarter. Score mo natin. 41-42. Isa na lang kalamangan. Palitan ng kalamangan. Last 5 minutes remaining on the third quarter. 43-42. Laban na naman ng isa. Ayan si Pascual. Naagawan ni Padilla. Ayan na si Padilla. Nakamamadali. Tinasa kay Lucky. So sa Teperoas. Pasko Flores. Flores now. At nakasarili. Laser sa 2 points. Ang base team ng isa. 43-44. Lucky. Isa pa. Now, dribbling the ball, looking for Silver, pass to Pascual. Pascual na kalusot, umatake.
Galit sila, Han?
Agape. Ayan na si Agape.
Di ba naipit siya dito, sa gitna? Oo, nagalit siya.
Agape ba? 2 points, 2 points. 4. Tennis table ulit tayo. Lamang balik ang kalamangan sa group. Ayan na si Pascual. Wala. Ibang matalabas, Pascual Lucky. Lucky now. Ayan na si Lucky, nagmamadali. Tumira, wala. Rebounder by Padilla. Padilla pass. 1 go. Rebounder by Pagar. Ayan na si Pagar. At nakay susubukan. Supunta. Ganda, palitan ng kalamangan. Ayan na si Agape. Umatake, pero may pito. Last 3 minutes remaining. 5 for 3. 1 go. Rebounder by Chavez. And there's a whistle. Baltasar. Inasa kay Cesar. Wala. Rebounder by Chavez. Chavez now. Pass to Lucky. Lucky now. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Lucky. Setting the play. Pass to Chavez. Chavez pass. Wala. Rebounder by Pagar. Ayan na si Pagar. At natin. Kalis Padilla. 1 go. Rebound Padilla. Padilla. Ayun. Huli na balmon. Looking for Silver. Nakita si Lucky. Lucky now. Lucky. Nakalusot. Tumira. Wala. Rebounder by Baltasar. Baltasar now. Challenge lang tayo. Baltasar. Baltasar. Challenge lang tayo. 1 go. Rebound Padilla. Padilla now. Ayan na si Padilla. Nahabol ni Baltasar. Pinasa kay Lucky on the free throw line. 2 points. Survival rin tayo. Balik ang kalamangan sa group. 5 for 3. 1 go. Rebound Chavez. Chavez now. Pass to Magnaye. 20 seconds remaining. Pass to Agape. Agape. Attacks Dorin. Mars. 1 go. Rebound by Rojas. Pinasa kay Baltasar. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Pass to Pascual. Pascual. Challenge. 2 points. Pinasa kay Magnaye. Magnaye now. 55 seconds remaining. 15 seconds shot lang. Puntik pang mawala. Nakuha pa rin ni Padilla. 10 seconds shot lang. Pass to Agape. Pass. 2 points. At the game. Pascual. Pinasa kay Magnaye. Ayun. Nawala ang 10 seconds difference sa shot clock natin, ha? 30 seconds remaining. 14 seconds shot clock. Bartolaba. 1 go. Rebound na. There's a whistle. Stepping. 9 seconds shot clock. Pastor Gomez. 5 seconds shot clock. For 3. 1 go. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. There's a whistle. Score 49-48. First round, pasok. Anong segundo, ha? Bilang na lang tayo naman. Pasok!
Okay guys, in of third quarter.
Ito na,
Okay guys, fourth quarter, the final quarter.
Ilabas na lahat ng inyong lakas. Magnaye ang bola. Setting the play. Looking for Silver to Lucky. Lucky now. Lucky. Aras to by Rojas. Lucky. Dire-diretso. Stout. Pinasakay pa niya. Times for 3. Padilla. 50. Dalawa ang naging kalamangan ng Chrome sa tira na yun. 9 minutes and 31. Ramos pa. 2 points. 2 by Ramos. Palit pa. Inoong Ramos. Setan na ay. Magnaye daw. Magnaye. Bang. 2 points. 2 by lang. Nag-iwan na sila sa kanilang mga tira. Nagiging maingat na. Bawat possession sa halaga. Ramos. Pinasa kay Pagar. Back to Setan. 2 points. 2 by Silver. Deadlock tayo sa 54. All 54. Magnaye. Lumipon Silver. Pamasa kay Chavez, saktong-sakto, tumira, 2 puntos ang naitalaga. Ingat-ingat sila. Ayan na si Pascual, tumira na naman, wala, nakuha ni Lucky ang bola. Lucky now, ayan na si Lucky, nagmamadali, nakalusot, Padilla, 2 points, 2 by Padilla. Ramos now, aras to by Padilla. Ramos now, diretso lang. Ramos, umikot-ikot, nakuha, there's no whistle.
Yun. International. Intentional foul na guys.
Let's go! Pasok! Dalawang ng Chrome, lumobo na sa 6 ang kalamangan. Padilla ulit. Padilla, tumagasa, tumira, wala. Rebound na rin ni Pascual. Ayan na si Pascual. Umaatake, hinahabol. 5, 1 go. Rebound na rin Padilla. Padilla now, dribbling the ball. Pasto Lucky. Lucky now, challenge Rojas. Lucky, pinitit ang bola, wala. Rebound na by Rojas. Pasto Pagar. Pagar now. Attending, pinasa kay Pascual. 2 points para kay Pascual. Magnaye now, dribbling the ball. Magnaye, looking for Siboy, basta Padilla. Back to Magnaye. Magnaye, 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5, 1 go. Rebound by Ramos. 10 seconds remaining. Pascual now. Tumatagasa. Pass. 2 points, 2 by Pascual. Magnaye now on the ball. Magnaye, pinasa kay Padilla. Padilla. Harap na by Ramos. Pasto Chavez.
Uy, grabe.
Chavez. Start and shoot. Huli ka. Sa kanya pa rin. Ito suwis. Setan. Pasto Rojas. Dalawa na lang. Kalawakan ng Chrome. Pagar free. Wala. Rebound Padilla. Padilla daw. Ayan na si Padilla. Aatake. Pinasa. Pero ito sa tebenagan. Pagar na. Leza, 1 go. Rebound Pascual. Follow sa bola. Rebound by Bartolabak. Bartolabak. Tinagawan. Nanagawan. Ayan na si Magnaye. Padilla. Padilla at Chavez fouls. 2 points. Ayan na si Ramos. Ramos. 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Pasto Setan. 10 seconds on clock. For 3. 1 go. Rebound by Chavez. Pasto. Lucky. Dalawa. Discarded by Pito. Poro. 25 seconds remaining. Let's go! Wala! Rebounder by Ramos. Yung imposible, Pastor Rojas. Rojas on the ball. Pastor Pascual. Pascual, nawala ang bola. Nawala pero naipasa lang kay Rojas. Ayan na. Si Ramos ay Pascual. Rebound Chavez. Chavez ko agape. Agape now. Hinay-hinay lang. Setting the play. Agape. Umangalit. Pineke. Wala. Rebounder line. Chavez. Pass. One go. Rebound Pascual. Ayan lang si Pascual. Pascual now. Umangalit. Dos puntos. Padilla now. Pass to Agape. Ayun na. Naagawang petisetan. Ayan na si Jenna. Sinasa kay Ramos. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Chrome. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining on this game. Isa na lang kalamangan ng Chrome. Dumikit na naman. Agape ulang bola. 10 seconds shot clock. Chavez for 2 points. Rosaw. Dribbling the ball. Louis Possible. Pass to Pascual. Ayan na si Pascual. Habol ang bola. 5 seconds for 2 points. Ganda ng laban. 65-64. Isa ang kalamangan ng Chrome. Agape ang bola. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Muntik mawala.
Grabe!
One go. Rebound by Pascual. Pero nakuha na Reyes. Reyes. Pass by Sinusenan. Challenge Padilla. One go. Pass to Ramos. 2 points by Ramos. James Favor. 65-66. Laban naman ng isa ang base 10. 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Last 3 minutes remaining. Pena. Pastor Ramos. Nakulang si Ramos. Naagawa ni Chavez. Chavez ay ipag-agawan. There's a foul. Foul 65-66. Lamang ng isa ang base 10. Ayan na si Magnaye. Magnaye now. Setting the play. 15 seconds shot lang. Pagkagabi. Iwan na lang. Padilla. Lays up. Couple. Padilla.
Boy, focus boy, focus boy.
Yun na yun. Ross now. Dribbling the ball. Pastor Ramos. Ramos now. 40 seconds shot clock. Pass. 10 seconds shot clock. Ross for 3. Ross. 2 points. Pass break. Masyado pataas. Pastor Ramos. Ramos. Pass. Malutang. Wala na ibang pagpalabak. Pastor Magnaye. Last 2 minutes remaining. Last 2 minutes remaining. 55 seconds remaining. Extra pa natin. 67-69. Dalawang kalamangan ng bench. And the whistle. Yung awag ng referee. Sinabihan na namin.
Ganda ng laban guys. Palitan ng score. Shoot lang.
First down. Second down. Pasok ko Montoya. Padilla. Pasok Chavez. Chavez now. Lungin Monsibo. Pasok Magnaye. Magnaye now. Pasok Padilla. 15 seconds shot clock. Lungin Monsibo. Pasok Chavez. Chavez. Tulaki. 8 seconds shot clock. Pass. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Pasok Pascual. 1 minute and 20. 15 seconds shot clock. Pastor Ramos. 10 seconds shot clock. Foul. 72-67. 5 ang kalamangan. Lagi now. Pass. 1 go. Ramos. 1 minute and 2. Last 1 minute remaining. Foul. Who's foul? Pascual now. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 45 seconds remaining. One go. Rebound back to Lama. area. 35 seconds remaining. 20 seconds shot clock. Basta magmaye. 5, 1 go. Rebound Pascual. 30 seconds remaining. 25 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock.
Kasi na.
Shot clock. 200 shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. And doon sa whistle.
Okay guys, lamang ang base guys. Lamang
8
nahabol.
seconds remaining. 8 segundo na lang.
8 seconds na lang guys. Tayo na.
5 seconds remaining.